We are going to calculate now the project status, and I'm going to click here and status. The project status is this following. So for example, I have different levels of health, and the first one is given by the project delay. So if I'm going to evaluate the project delay, means this one, okay. Let's say that is 12/07/2017, okay. Now I know that the total, I can also put this end date, project date, and date. Now I'm going to this one, okay, project status, okay, Control X minus this, okay. So we have 6 days, okay, 6 days. But if I calculate the delay, this is the delay between the end, okay, 6 days. So this is okay, plan and actual end. Then we have plan duration, okay, which is done by this one minus this one, okay. So opposite, minus plus, okay. Plan duration, and the actual duration is given by what that of. So this is the new duration, okay. Delay is this divided by this, okay, minus 1, sorry, like this. So we have a 14% of delay in the project. High, medium, and low, okay. And this is high is 15%, medium is 10%. So we can accept a 5% of delay, okay, delay. So this is the project status based on the duration, okay. So we need this. So this is the delay, so this is the one that I need, okay. Now we are going to see on the risk. Risk, it's a more complicated because high, medium, and low tickets. High, medium, and here is 2%, and this is 5%. So if we have 5% of risk open, it's very bad. But sometimes also it's given another way, it is considered as a number, but I want to 15%, okay, 20%, 50. So this is the situation. Now there's combination of this is, okay, this is given by 2, 1, and 0. So we have 2, 1, and 0. So if we have all this, we have 5% of high priority, 15% okay. For the delay, okay, here we have 2, 1, and 0, okay. So the status of course, is given by the sum of these two. Now we're going to calculate exactly these delays. So first of all, the delay here is equal to this. Then here I'm going to say if this is greater or equal than this, then I'm going to give 2. Otherwise, if this is greater or equal than this, I'm going to give 1, else I'm going to give 0. Okay, so we have for the delay we have 1 score. Okay, score. For the risk we have the following. Okay, I'm going to do the following sum, count if, so I'm going to just copy what we had before in the risk here, this one. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, but I'm going to divide this by some if this one is different than close. Sorry, count if also. This has to be high. So, and then I'm going to evaluate this, and then we have 24%. Medium, okay, a very big number, okay. One, if this is greater than this, then it's going to be 2. If is 0, if this, otherwise this. Okay, 2. I have to do also this. This is not 0, but the value that I put here. Reference to the column above. Okay, so now we have this kind of score, and the score these ones. So it's a sum of this. The sum, or it depends. You can also put max this one. Okay, so the overall score is basically this, the average, or depends, you can also give other weights if you want, average of this. Okay, so we have the score 1, 0. And to do the following, I select this conditional formatting. I'm going to icon, I'm gonna give this, okay, but I'm gonna change this. So I'm going to do the following. I'm going to manage rules, edit, show icon only, if the value is greater or equal, greater than 1. Green number. So we are red, okay? I'm gonna center this. So it's a complicated formula, you just need this one, then I'm red, okay? But if I'm greater than this, I'm yellow. Otherwise, I am green. So green is when I'm 0, okay? I can also change completely, okay? I want to keep it as it is now, okay? Okay. I can also decide to have other values like 1, 2, RNG score, okay, and I'm going to project status for my pen here, okay. I'm gonna align this. So here we are, we have block this. I don't want my user to use this, and I'm going to review anything, okay. I can only do this, okay. Burn down chart, I can show the values. And yeah, we are finished with this session.